What's up, guys? My name's Kyle. I'm a 19-year-old college student, and I just got given a 35-year-old boat for free. So here she is. This is the 1989 Raven 195 with a Mercruiser 3.0 4-cylinder engine. It's a gorgeous boat, and if it looks familiar to you, then you probably know who I got it from. That's because this boat was given to me by the amazing YouTubers Jennifer Sugant, sorry if I mispronounced that, Jen, and Chris Brown at No Nonsense Know How. Now, both their channels will be linked in the description, along with the 4 videos that the two of them have made together on both their channels about this boat. Starting with last summer, where they bought the boat about an hour away from here in Jersey, and cleaned it up, got the engine running, and then all the way up to Jen's newest video featuring me, where she gave the boat away out of the amazing kindness out their hearts, and I cannot thank them enough. So why don't I give you a little tour around the boat and we'll see how it looks, starting with the trailer, which is in pretty decent shape. Got a little rust on the tongue of the trailer here, but besides that, and one of the tail lights is broken, but that's not too big of a problem. Trailer works, rollers are all good, and yeah. So let's get up on the boat here. A little makeshift ladder set up. I'm gonna find a taller ladder so I don't break my back getting up here. Here's the inside of the boat. Pretty clean for a 35-year-old boat, I think. Got the cuddy cabin down here. I did put the cowboy hat in there. That didn't come with the boat, unfortunately. Console over here. That is the one problem I did see, is the chair knocking into that, but it's no big deal. Chair, and we do have the engine cover. Let's pull this back. Take a look at this beauty. Now, although Chris and Jen did a fantastic job cleaning up this engine, getting it running, even took the head gasket to get replaced, it is still somehow mixing water with the oil. Now, according to Chris, probably calls that could be a hairline crack somewhere in the engine block or some other issue, but I just know that when I pull the dipstick, it should not be that color. This doesn't mean though that the engine is broken. It just means that I'm probably gonna have to change the oil a few extra times. But besides that, the only other thing I need to get the boat running is going to be a battery. So doing some shopping around for that, and hopefully when I get it, take this boat out on the water. Well, it seems I already have a first mate. This is Boots. Oh, and she doesn't like the boat, it seems. Okay. But still have a few more things to do until I can get the boat out on the water and have some fun. But until then, let me talk about some of the plans I have for fixing up the boat. I don't plan on tearing the thing apart, but there are a few small things I want to do. Starting with this bench here. It's a nice little 2-seater, and then you fold it down to a bed. It's a little dirty, but still looking pretty nice. Seats are in decent condition. Only issue with it, if I can get it back up, it's under here. That is dirty. The wood looks kind of good. Might be able to salvage most of it, but I think get it good enough. I think these seats can be put to better use. So my plan is, for now, cut it in half here, get 2 seats, and then can install them either side the engine cover with some back seats, and a way to cover up some of the wires and the battery back here. Now, I'm not sure how difficult that's going to be or expensive, but I'm doing a DIY budget renovation here, so not going to be breaking bank. Next plan is for over here. Most of this equipment still works pretty good. Most of the gauges are operational. I believe the switches are too, hopefully. But down here, everything's a little bit exposed, so I'm planning to build some sort of cabinet or covering that can cover up the wires here and have a nice little shelf on the other side for the cuddy cabin. Now, as for the cuddy cabin, I am planning on taking this boat on some overnight camping trips, hopefully. So I do want to try to make some sort of bed for in here, and maybe even some extra storage, or I don't know. Also thinking about getting a cargo net. It's a way to keep all these life jackets and cushions back up there in the corner, or the front of the boat. And I might also have to, probably definitely going to replace these plastic windows because it's got some cracks, and this wood is pretty rotted here. But that shouldn't be too difficult. This hatch is still good. Just got to get some screws to put these things back in. I don't know what they're called. Yeah, going up the boat here. Hatch opens up like so. Get to the top deck. So just, yeah, those are a few of the plans I have. But besides that, definitely going to be taking this boat on the water as soon as it's operational. And moving back over to the bench, once these seats are installed in the back, I'm hoping, and maybe I might even be able to keep the space here, hoping to put a cooler seat here. So just some sort of cooler with a cushion seat, Velcro to the top, just some extra cold storage. But yeah, that's pretty much the whole boat. Not that big, obviously, but I think it is the decent size for what I was looking for. So just wanted to make this quick video in case anyone wanted a follow-up to Jen's video, know a little bit more about me and what I was planning to do with the boat. I'm also making this video for my online college class, so if you're my professor watching this, please give me a good grade. But besides that, let me know if you guys want to see any more videos about this boat, either me fixing it up or taking it on the water. But besides that, it's going to be all. So thanks for watching. See ya.